Happy Monday. Welcome to Mudra Monday. I'm excited to start this series because mudras, I just started reading all about them, and I ended up getting this card deck from Amazon. And no, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not selling you anything. But it's really cool. You just pick a card. Apparently, if you read the little booklet it comes with, you just spread out the cards, you kind of give yourself a hand massage, you pick out whatever card, and that's the mudra that you have to do. Even if you're not feeling it or feel like it doesn't apply, that's the one that you do. So I really liked this because every time I've picked out a card, it has been perfect. It is exactly what I needed, whether I knew it at that time or whether I found out later that I needed it. And then you're supposed to pick a new card pretty much whenever you're ready. So I'm going to be doing this every Monday, where I'm going to be picking out a new card. I usually start with a meditation though first, just like a 10-15 minute meditation. And then, I pull out a card. Today I had pulled out this fire mudra. So it says commitment, give what you can. And it gives the hand position that you're supposed to make for this mudra. So what it says on the back, though, I'll read it really quickly, but I'll post it as well. This mudra helps to stabilize you, gives inner support and balance. Be true to yourself and always give of your best, even if you think it is only very little. We cannot always play a perfect role, but we can always try to do our best. In retrospect, we often see how what we have been able to do has much more effect than we expected, even if it seemed rather feeble at the time. It's almost as if there is something working behind the scenes which makes up for what seems to be a deficiency. Let the light of the cosmos shine on what you do and what you leave undone. In this way, the true value and depth of your deeds is revealed. And the mantra that they leave with this is, I do my best and I let the universe do the rest. And I love this because I am a bit of a perfectionist, and those tendencies have been coming up lately. So I'm so glad that I pulled this mudra. The way that you hold it, your hands in this, is your thumbs touch and you cup your left hand over your right. You touch your thumbs, and then you use your right pointer finger to make, it's kind of an awkward position, but I'm not even sure if you can see this either. Let's see. So cup your left hand over your right, thumbs, and then your pointer finger touches here. And then you're supposed to, say this mantra as often as you want. And it doesn't really say in this video, over your heart, on your hands. So I'm going to hold it like this so that you can kind of see. But I will post the picture of this so that you'll get a better look at it. But I'm just going to breathe in through my fingertips, all the way up through my arms. Feel every vein, feel my wrists, my elbow, my muscles, my shoulder, and just work my breath up and down through my chakras. But I've been finding that whenever I start my breath at the mudra, or like at wherever my hands are, that seems to give me the most power or relief, or it seems to be the best for me. But this is to each their own. So I'm just going to take a deep breath here. And then you're going to end up doing this about 10 times is what they recommend, or do it throughout the day. So thank you for joining me on this first Monday of Mudra Monday. I will definitely be doing more of these, hopefully every Monday. And next week I will definitely pick a card for everybody to see. This morning I just kind of forgot. I was in my routine, so I had already picked the card. But thank you. Namaste. Have a great day.